welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today is Saturday the 25th of March I believe. It's just gone past 7 o'clock and I'm about to arrive at the airport because I'm going to Portugal for the weekend with my cousin. We're spending a long weekend in Lisbon. We're going from Saturday until Tuesday and I'm actually like really excited about it now. It's getting closer, it feels more real. I've not really thought about it all week, but now it's here. It's quite exciting knowing that in a few hours time I'm going to be up in the air. So as always, I will bring you all along with me. I might not talk too much, it might just be more voiceover clips for this vlog, but we'll see how it goes. And yeah, let's go to Portugal. It is 5:30 and we have finally checked into our Airbnb. I think our flight ended up being delayed by about 2.5 hours, and then by the time we got here we had a really like rocky flight at the end. We went to land and then all of a sudden we literally, I felt it go like this and then we went all the way back up again. And I think on the flight radar Charlie said that it went from like 3,000 feet to 5,000 feet really quickly because there was like an aircraft in our like parking bay for our aeroplane, if you like. So we had to fly around for a little bit, which delayed us even more. But then we got out, we managed to get a bolt from the airport to Lisbon city centre, which even though it was a half-an-hour journey, it was only like €8 or €9. It was really good, much cheaper than like what I would have expected it to be, and like in comparison to public transport I imagine it to be exactly the same. And now we've just found our little Airbnb, we've checked in and it's really lovely, so I thought I would give you a room tour before we head back out. So as you walk in, you're in the little bedroom area. There's 2 singles and then up the top there's a double bed, which I don't think we're going to use because it's not made up, but it is up there if you wanted to, and there's like spare bedding and stuff in the cupboards. We've then got a little like TV area, kitchen, which is really like a lot bigger than I expected. Fridge, freezer, there's loads of like cooking utensils and pots and pans and things, stuff to eat off. And then as you come around here you've got lots of little wardrobes where you can hang things up, and then also just the bathroom in here, which everything looks really nice, clean. I'm really happy. I think we've got a good find here. The plan now is to head out to the supermarket to stock up on some food and things, get some lunches, some breakfasts for the next few days whilst we're here, and also make sure that we've got something to eat for this evening. So I'll bring you out with me, film a few clips that I can voice over and show you what we're getting up to. But okay then, it is 10 o'clock and we have just got ourselves ready for bed. I am absolutely shattered and didn't really realise how tired I was until I got into bed like an hour or so ago, so I'm definitely ready for it now. We've had a really lovely day here, even though we've not actually done anything. Like, all we've done is arrive, go to the supermarket, walk up and down some of the streets and like get some food. It's still been really, really lovely. If you're ever in Lisbon, I highly recommend going to that time out market. There was something there for absolutely everyone. Tomorrow we're planning on getting up at about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to shower, wash my hair, get myself ready, and we're actually going to take the subway to head down towards Cascais, I think you say. Like, there's a beach there our Airbnb host was telling us about. I will take you with me again in the morning and show you what we're getting up to. I'm really excited for like a first proper full day here, especially because it feels like our day to day has been like stolen from us because of the flight delay, but we've still got time to make the most out of it. We've had a really lovely time anyway, and I'm excited to see what we end up getting up to tomorrow. The next morning, after having a quick breakfast inside the apartment, we decided to head down to the train station to go to a little town called Belém, just next door to Lisbon city centre. It only took about 10 minutes. They've got lots of attractions there, but the main reason we were going is to go to the Geronimus monastery. And if you're nearby, I highly recommend visiting this place because it was absolutely beautiful, but I'm going to let the videos talk for themselves. We've just finished off in the monastery and we've been souvenir shopping, and on our way out, now it's getting to lunchtime, it's 12:30, we decided to get one of these, which is like the Portuguese custard tarts called pastel de nata, something like that. I've never tried one of these before. We put some cinnamon on the top and Lauren thinks that it's going to be really tasty, so I'm going to give it a go, but I wanted to get my reaction on camera because I feel like I'm not going to like this very much because I don't like English custard tarts. So let's see how it goes. I actually really like it. What the hell? Oh my god, I didn't expect that. Warm with loads of cinnamon. Yeah, that's delicious. So I didn't make our afternoon plans very clear, but we were supposed to go to the botanical gardens, but after getting there we decided they didn't look that good, so we hopped back on the train and went further along the coast to Cascade to enjoy some time at the beach. On our way back to Lisbon, we stopped off at the LX factory to have a browse around the independent shops. We were also going to eat here, but we decided against it and instead headed back to the apartment to have our pizza, which, spoiler alert, was absolutely disgusting. Good morning everyone and welcome back to the Lisbon vlog. I've just realised how echoey it is in here for my voice, but we've just finished off having brunch in somewhere that I don't even know the name of. I don't even know what building this is, whether it's like a museum, a library. It basically just said brunch and garden on a little sign outside, so we decided to head upstairs and have it. I had scrambled eggs on toast, which was quite tasty but quite a small portion, and Lauren had like avocado on toast, which also looked really good. So we've just finished off that, and the plan now I think is to head to like the elevator here in Lisbon city centre. It's like a 10-minute walk from where we are, and maybe just having a wander around Lisbon and seeing what we can find. We don't really have too much on the agenda. We would like to maybe watch the sunset from somewhere this evening, so I think we might have an earlier dinner and then go and watch sunset afterwards, but we'll see where the day takes us. I will bring you along with me as per usual, take you with me and show you everything that we get up to. But yeah, welcome back to the Lisbon vlog. I just thought I would say that we've had some brunch and we're on our way, and this is what we might be getting up to today. When I said that we'll see where the day takes us, this is exactly what I meant. We ended up getting to the elevator and going around some shops, but deciding that we didn't really want to do any of that, so instead we hopped on a train and went to Sintra for the day, and I am so glad that we did. What started off as a bit of a random disastrous morning turned out to be one of my favourite days ever, but once again I'm going to let the videos talk for themselves because this place was absolutely stunning. Trying to decide what to get in Europe is so hard. Like, I'm tempted by the mushroom and truffled mayo burger because I feel like that sounds really good. They've also got the chicken honey one as well, that sounds nice. We have got a mushroom and truffle burger, which doesn't actually look that bad. I've got a chicken snap wrap in case that doesn't taste very nice, and then an M&M McFlurry with added chocolate sauce. After our McDonald's, we went on a little walk on the hunt for the perfect sunset spot. We decided to sit along the front with one final pastel de nata, and we just spoke, had a little catch up and enjoyed our last evening here in Lisbon. The next morning we were up bright and early in order to get to the airport to catch our flight. We were so lucky to watch the most incredible sunrise along the way in the boat. It actually worked out cheaper for us to book single flights, and so we headed back to Luton where it was absolutely freezing, grabbed a Costa hot chocolate and waited around for our coach, and then before we knew it, it was time to head home. I was reunited with Charlie and just spent the evening chilling out because I was absolutely exhausted. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on my next upload, and other than that, I'll catch you soon.